整場嘅即係雨傘運動咧，係冇任何嘅外國勢力介入嘅。
喺佔中呢個問題上咧，係有外部勢力參與嘅。呢個咧唔係我嘅一個猜測。我係有責任知道呢啲事情嘅。我作為政府嘅負責人咧，係有責任知道呢啲事情嘅。至於話係咪要舉咩嘅證據出嚟喺社會上公開呢啲證據出嚟咧？我相信任何一個政府喺知道呢啲事情嘅時候咧，都要面對，都要處理。至於應該點樣披露或者係將啲證據攞出嚟嘅話咧，我睇適當嘅時候咧，我哋會作適當考慮嘅。
I would say this, that there are evidence of foreign involvement in Hong Kong. And it's not only we are saying this here. Papers from overseas, studies from overseas, which have been sent around the world and sent to us, also highlight how much there are foreign involvement in Hong Kong.
係冇任何嘅外國勢力介入嘅。
咁究竟何謂外國勢力呢？喺好多網上流傳嘅片段咧，佢特別強調翻有一兩個美國基金會嘅角色。咁呢個我哋可以嚟傾嘅。咁譬如話嗰個叫全國民主基金會，咁究竟呢一類嘅組織喺香港係咪有運作呢？咁係有存在嘅。咁佢哋嘅資金來源係咪會嚟自國務院呢？咁呢個係事實嚟嘅。咁係唔係可以即係作為國家行為呢？喺我哋嗰個業界亦都會咁睇嘅。
係冇任何嘅外國勢力介入嘅。
It's not all our fault, but we're partially involved. We have a large consulate there that's in charge with taking care of the Hong Kong Policy Act passed by Congress to ensure democracy in Hong Kong. We also have funded millions of dollars of programs through the National Endowment for Democracy to help democracy in Hong Kong. So in that sense, the Chinese accusation is not totally false.
而整場嘅即係雨傘運動咧，係冇任何嘅外國勢力介入嘅，係冇任何嘅外國勢力介入嘅。